So here we are. I guess that break was a lot shorter than I was expecting it to be. For the people that have watched the last video, I basically talked about in that video that I was planning on taking a break because, you know, the baby just came. We're moving into a new house soon. I'm overloaded. I'm getting like 2 hours of sleep a night. That's how it goes with the newborn. But yeah, I had to make a video, even though I said I was gonna take a break, because I actually have over here a $1,000 hype box that I ordered from Soul Steels. And normally I would have just waited to open that up, you know, because I do want to, like, you know, take some time off, get settled in with the baby and the new house. But I couldn't really do that because inside of this box there is the winner of the giveaway that was sponsored by Soul Steels for that $7,000 beater box. And I thought about it, you know, and I was like, if I was in the situation of the viewer, would I want to know if I won like ASAP, or would I want to wait 2 weeks to find out? So I said, okay, you know what? Because I love the Untitled Honda so much, I have to make this video even if I don't really want to, even though I want to go on break. Can't do that. I have to make this video for you guys. So we will be announcing that winner today. It is in this box, and this mystery box is going to be $1,000. It is not a sneaker mystery box. I mean, you guys kind of saw the size. It is a little bit smaller. So this is actually a hype box, and the Soul Steels hype box is like a mix of clothing and also sneakers. So we should have a combination of both today. Anyway, before I get into that, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. And if you guys haven't heard of Rose Gold and Black, you guys definitely should get on it. They are the premier minimalistic jewelry company that I've been using for the last 3 years, guys. Really great jewelry over there. They have necklaces, bracelets, rings, a whole bunch of different things, and also the watch that I wear on an everyday basis. And as you guys can see, as I was mentioning, it's stylish, it's sleek, and it's also very minimal. So it's not like overbearing, not too much. You can pretty much wear it with any outfit, which is why it's like my everyday watch. And what's really cool about Rose Gold and Black is they actually are having a summer sale right now. So if you guys head over to the website, you guys can check out all the nice jewelry that they have over there, and everything on there is going to be 30% off when you guys use my link in the description. So make sure you guys use that link, check out the website over there. And on top of that, guys, you guys also get a free complimentary bracelet or a necklace with your guys' purchase, which I just think is super dope. Like, when you think about it, you're not only getting like a great discount with that 30% off, but you're also like doubling up. So if you get one necklace, you can get a bracelet for free, or if you want two necklaces, you can get one for free as well. Plus that 30% off, it doesn't get better than that. So make sure you guys head over there, check it out, and copy your minimalistic jewelry today. Anyway, guys, let's check this out. I can't believe that we're actually opening up this box literally like 2 days after I said I was gonna take a break. This is ridiculous, but I love you guys, and I will lose some sleep so we can actually get the winner out and get his mystery box to him. So see what we got. Good luck to everybody. We're gonna find out who won right now. Okay, and so we have the winner right over here. Big reveal. Dude, this is literally like every time we do this, it's a life-changing thing because I mean, who wouldn't want to win $7,000 worth of shoes? I think actually, like, on that video, it was closer to $8,000. So very expensive. I have the winner right here, and the winner, without further ado, is this homie right over here. Boom. Check that out. Winner, Josh Abarca. So we will be sending that box out to Josh Abarca, and thank you to everybody that entered that giveaway, dude. Honestly, the reason why we're able to keep doing these giveaways is because you guys keep supporting these videos, keep watching the videos, liking, commenting, and the more traction that we get to these videos, the more giveaways that we can do with companies like Soul Steel. So make sure you guys keep watching, and yeah, congrats to Josh. All right, so congrats over there. Let's get into the mystery box now. Again, this is going to be a mix of clothing and shoes because it is a hype box. This first thing that we have is a Supreme Worldwide hat. I don't know, dude. I actually really like trucker hats, but I've kind of like shifted my thinking away from Supreme. I'm not sure if it's just because I'm getting older, but Supreme to me, it's really just played out at this point. Because even like the box logos and stuff, it just doesn't do it for me. It also comes with another hat over here. This one is one of those like dad hats, but I cannot fit these like to save my life just because these things are so darn small. Dude, even when I like strap this like all the way to the end, my head is so big that it does not fit in these hats, which is why I like wearing snapbacks because they can get really big, as you guys know. So yeah, that's pretty dope. You guys will see those values over here on the screen. And I probably will be posting all of this stuff on untitledhawaii.com as well. So if you guys do want to cop anything, whether it be shoes or whatever else we see in this box, they will be located over there, untitledhawaii.com. So we got another set of hats over here. And this is one that I do recognize. It's a Travis Scott McDonald's collab hat. We love to see you smile, and it does have that McDonald's logo kind of like meshed in with that like Travis Scott look. So pretty cool over here. Plain black hat, red brim, not bad. I think these go for like 30-40 bucks. And we also have another Cactus Jack brown beanie over here, so you guys can see that one. Not bad at all. And if I didn't mention it, everything that comes in hype boxes is usually all brand new. I don't think I've ever opened a hype box where it was like used things. So that's one of the advantages if you guys do like want to resell these mystery boxes. the hype boxes always come with brand new dead stock. What that means is usually like the price point, like if you guys are trying to make a lot of money, the margins are a little bit slower because I mean technically it's all DS. You can sell it like instantly if you want it on StockX, but definitely very easy to move because like I mentioned, they are dead stock, so people buy them very quickly. Not as fun as the beater boxes. I'm gonna fly through all of these shirts because these do look like Supreme summer tees. This is a Cactus Jack tee, a Supreme summer tee in like this white color, another Supreme summer tee, and I will put all of this up over here. It's just I don't really want to open these up. It is what it is. Like I said, Supreme stuff all looks the same to me at this point. Not knocking if you guys do love Supreme. It's just for me personally, I'm not a fan. This one is a Daniel Johnston Kill 'Em All tee from Supreme. And now we can get into the stuff that I personally love, guys. Obviously the sneakers. So the first thing that we have out of here is this box right here, a pair of slides, size 9, Yeezys obviously. And for this one, we got a pair of those Yeezy Adidas slides, dude. Check this thing out. This is really, really random actually. I've never seen these slides in person. This thing is very light, I will say that. Doesn't really look comfortable, to be honest. It's just like a big hunk of plastic, it seems like. Colorway is whatever, but yeah, I think these are actually reselling for kind of a lot of money, which is insane. No matter what Yeezy puts his name on, dude, they end up having major resale, and this one, it's a slipper. It's a slipper that's going for crazy amounts of money. And the last thing that we have in this mystery box today is a very hype pair of shoes. Check this out, pair of Unions over here, Jordan 4 Unions. And now we just need to figure out what colorway we got. Size 9. And the colorway is a dead stock pair of the Guava Ice Jordan 4s. I was actually hoping that it was one of the newer colorways because I haven't seen any of those in person yet, but this one is still good too. Obviously, like no matter what, the Unions will have good resale value, so I think these are going for about $600 or $700, maybe $800 depending on the size. So very cool cop over here, and that definitely means that we made up like almost 3/4 of the price of the box in just one shoe. So I think that's a really good deal, dude. Hype boxes, like I said, the margins are probably really low over here, but still, because it is all dead stock, you can either hold these items if you think they're gonna go up over time, or you can just quick flip them and probably make a decent amount of money and very, very quickly. Whereas the beater boxes, it can usually take you weeks. You have to clean them. You have to do a whole bunch of different stuff with them. Margins are higher, but it takes a lot more work. Hype boxes, a lot easier, but very thin margins. And that's the reason why I don't cop hype boxes very often. Usually it's just because there's not very many sneakers in these boxes, and there are a lot more clothes. So it just really doesn't like pique my interest anymore. But yeah, the shoes part is always cool. They always have at least like 50% shoes, 50% clothing. So you guys can check that out over there. And yeah, like I mentioned, if you guys do want to cop anything, they will be on untiedahawaii.com. And now I can finally say that I will be taking a break for at least a week, guys. Sorry about that. As I mentioned in my previous video, which you can watch over here, life is just crazy right now, you know, but it's a good kind of crazy where we're having like so much big life-changing events, except it's all happening like boom, 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 one after another. And your boy just needs to take a breather really fast, readjust, get things in order, and then we will be back with the content. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support, and I will see you guys on the next episode, which should be in about a week or two. But until then, though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoops.